Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add your clock application to your Android home screen. If you are tired of digging through the menus just to see the time, then you have a simple and elegant way to stay on top of your schedule by adding a clock application to your Android home screen. The first thing to do is to go ahead and scroll through your app drawer and find the clock application. Once you see it on the list, simply go ahead and hold the application. In the expanded menu, tap on Add to Home and you will be able to add your clock application to your home screen. Now, you can go ahead and drag the application to your preferred home screen and place it in your desired location. And that is how you have successfully added the clock app to your Android home screen. Now you can enjoy the convenience of quick access to timekeeping and alarms right from your main home screen. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.